How to see deleted messages on WhatsApp. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I will show you how you can read or see or view deleted or unsent messages on WhatsApp. But before we get started, as always, if you're new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So if I go ahead and show you, you can see I have received a certain message at the very top. Let's say I have not read the message and then this person just simply deletes it. So this is a message from my other device or my other contact. So I will go ahead and show you by also unsending that particular message from my other phone. So right from this phone, I actually send them a message right over here which says hello. So what I will do is I will go ahead and then delete this message and actually unsend it from that person. So I will tap on this delete button and you can see it says delete at the very top. I will go ahead and select it, tap on the delete button, and then it says delete for everyone. In order to unsend those, I will simply tap on delete for everyone, and you can see it says this message will be deleted for everyone in this chat. Now if I go ahead and then show you from my other device, let's say for example again, right over here you can see it says the message was deleted. As you can see at the very top, it says your message was deleted. If I tap on it, you can see I will not be able to find that message. So how do we see that deleted message? Well, in that case, what you have to do is simply open up settings, and we're going to simply see and view that messages from our notification history. So once you open up the app, what you want to do is go ahead and select notifications. Once you select notifications, you will see all of these options, and you have to go to advanced settings. As you go to advanced settings, at the very top you have to make sure to actually turn on notification history. Make sure it is turned on, and if you receive the notification of that message, basically you'll be able to see that particular message at the very top, as you can see WhatsApp, by just one person which says hello. And how this generally works is that you need to be connected to the internet. Let's say someone sent you a message. The notification history feature is going to track and keep track of that particular notification if you receive it. However, let's say you were offline and that person sent you a message, you didn't receive the notification on your phone, and they simply unsent it, you will not be able to view that message. The only way to actually view and send messages, whether or not you use third-party apps or so on, is to only get notified through notifications. If you receive the notifications, as I said, your phone is going to keep track of it, and you can simply go ahead and view them on a notification history, even if they went ahead and deleted that particular notification. Hopefully this video helped you in another way. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.